Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to convert numbers into words in Microsoft Word. Like and subscribe, support the channel. Let's get started. To convert a number into words, do the following. Choose a new line or place in the sentence. Press the keyboard shortcut Ctrl F9 and curly brackets appear. Inside the brackets, we type the equal sign and the required number. And in order for this number to be converted to text, we type a slash, an asterisk, and the word card text. When everything is entered, press the F9 key and the number is converted to words. To edit such a number, we left-click on the number to highlight it and press the key combination Shift F9. Curly brackets have appeared. Here we are changing only the number. When the number is changed, press F9 again to update the formula and the new number is converted. To delete such a number, place the cursor at the end of the number and press backspace twice. And that's it. Now you know what more.